Okay, welcome chat, welcome. So today the plan is I'm going to make a new tool, what I want to build. I'm not sure how I will build it yet, but I want to make like some AI teaching tool, but we're gonna see how we'll come up with it. But then you all can see the full workflow I get started with when I do a new project, so let's get right into it. I still need to think about the IDs and everything, how I will do it, but like I have a decent ID how I want it, but we'll see. Okay, so I need you to help me. You're my co-founder, and we're gonna try and launch an AI teaching tool. It's going to be a web app for now, and we'll need to see how exactly we're gonna do this. Like, I want some kind of like board, like a chalkboard, where then people can just talk and ask the AI about any subject, and we'll like teach people on the board with like nice visuals and explain everything. If you get the ID, and the style would need to be like a classroom neo-brutalism style and color and design. Claude Design will make all the screens, and then we'll later on build it in Claude Code. But I need you to do full research and also think with me as a co-founder on the suggestions and everything. Okay, go. Well, he does that. Let me put it on hot, on max here. While we do that, I'm going to quickly check a few things on $Vibe Club, but most of it is already done, so. But let me also quickly add like the stream chat and the top guide. No, but we'll see how we'll make the AI teaching tool, but I'm still thinking a bit about it. Let me see. K-12, university students and adult self-teachers, everybody can use it. Pretty much everybody can use it, but also for schools to use for teaching in the future. Yo, what's up, Jacob? I'm currently making like an AI teaching tool for fun, and then later on I want to sell it. Yo, Johnny, welcome to the stream. How does AI actually teach on the board? Yes, live drawing on an infinite canvas, and that will also voice generation and generated visuals I would also like, or that it can use open source visuals from like web, that it like has a web embed for certain visuals. And you do research on how exactly we'll make this. We'll do a freemium / subscription first, but that's like for later on, and like for school tutoring businesses, but that's for later on. Yo, Jazz, welcome to the stream. I'm currently making a new project from scratch. I want to make like an AI teaching tool, and I'll like put like a subscription behind it or something, I'll see. Or I'll make it free, but we'll see. But I just want to make an AI teaching tool for like the general public. I will see. Yo, Blockbuster, welcome to the stream. For all the ones new, definitely do join the Vibe Club, dogvibeclub.com. It's a school where we teach people how to make money online fully for free. Also, I'll approve all the people that were in the pending invites. Yeah, okay, we have like 10. This one is okay. Okay, I don't know who's trying to join with that test email, but maybe it was my AI, but who knows. Whoever tried to join with like a fake admin email, like crazy. Yeah, I'm first letting do the AI, do some research. My PC went on fire. Beta GG. What? Wait, what did you do, Jacob? Or how did the PC even? But crazy, man, crazy. Nah, but we'll first let the AI do some research, and I'll make the design in Claude Code and in ChatGPT, and then we'll go from there. And then I have the Apple thing anyway, so I need to like make more apps than I had before. I'll also for the fitness app start doing the content on the gym, but on Insta. I'll just make some random gym edits of me lifting weights. Or just some deadlifts or something. And I have the meta glasses anyway, so I've made like a few videos. I've like a new short on YouTube. Everybody that's in the chat, do not forget to like and subscribe. It helps the stream a lot. And for all the ones new, do like the short I made. It's kind of a bad short because it for some reason it took the wrong aspect ratio, but it's like the first time I made a short like this. Okay, well this will take a while. But let me see. Like I have a PDF with a few things I still wanted to do. Or well, with a lot of things I want to do. Yeah, we can do those pull-ups. It's bad. Like I wanted to record it with the meta glasses because I have them, but it's like you don't see it that well, I think. But I don't. It's like a nice view, like a nice POV. But I'm thinking like I have a full list of what I like need to do in this PDF or like things I want to do. But some of this is just Upwork and some of this is for scans or like companies I work with. So I'll need to see what we can do. Yeah, we will get better over time. You just need to keep getting at it. Yeah, slowly improve the videos, the shorts. Because this is the first time I've really like tried YouTube like every single day. But we'll try this like AI teaching thing and then we'll go from there. Also, it might finish the horror game we started yesterday, just for the fun of it, in Fable 5. Hell, now we just wait. Now we wait until this is done and then I can get started. But I'll probably use ChatGPT and Claude just for the full process. Claude Code for building it, and then visuals for ChatGPT just for the mockups. You never promote your health app on Reddit? No, I have not promoted it yet. I should start promoting it on Reddit, but I never really used Reddit. I could try to get into it, but... Well, I have like an account, but I never posted really on it. I just joined some random web developer groups. Also, I might also, because I have a few other projects I still want to do. Because I made this random tool once because I was bored, or I let like AI just do its thing, but it like made all this boring tools, or like tools AI can just do for you. Like just for meta descriptions and everything. This will take a while, but once it's done, we can get started. But soon I'll like do more promotion for the fitness app and everything. Because it got approved today, or like fully. Or well, approved, I just launched it. Because I just needed to click on the launch button. Go join your Belgian server and play on... Yeah, I'll probably make to do something like that. And the app got released anyway, so like I just pressed public or publish. And the app works, like it fully works now also with the AI. The biggest issue with Apple was they were like saying your AI doesn't have safe or rail guards or something. You could like ask my AI anything and you would just answer. Even though normally Gemini AI should also have like, that you cannot ask it to like build a bomb or something. It for some reason my AI didn't have like limits or something, or they were like complaining. But all good now, all good. Also, Tommy will not be live today. For all the ones that also check Tommy's stream, he is not allowed to stream in the hotel room or like in the thing he rented. Oh, like I just want this set up and we can get it up and running. Also, something I also thought about what I want to do is like make an AI that I can plug in everywhere. Okay, so the idea is I want an AI to like fully monitor my life and help improve on everything, just on my work, what I spend my days in, like that I can give it my agenda and it will say this is good, like here you need to improve that. It knows every aspect of my life, what I eat, what I train, what I work on, and it can help me get $1 billion in a few years, or like become a billionaire in the coming years. And then maybe on later, because I already have a fitness app, so then maybe later on link it, or have the option to link the data up, or I can just export it via CVS, or whatever the file type is called. But I need everything that I can like put in my income for all the client projects they do and everything. Nah, they just said that Tommy wasn't allowed to stream because he was loud. Or they thought he was having a party or something in the hotel room. I just know he's not allowed to stream. And you also ask me questions and everything. And a bit about me, I'm an 18-year-old entrepreneur and I work online. And I want to make $1 million at the end of the year and then also become a billionaire in the coming years. So I need the AI to just fully optimize my life and everything I do. And that it will also be able to send me SMS or like send me on WhatsApp, and that we can do research on everything we need for like plugins, APIs, if we need Twilio and all of that. Also ask me and interview me for questions. This is with Fable 5, guys, and we'll see. We'll see what Fable 5 gives us with this. Can I like... Or remember I could like slide it out, or am I wrong? Yeah. My bad. How to build this myself and later on sell. And also compare existing tools so we can like maybe mix and match and connect it all up together. Manual check-ins is very important. Track clients and then maybe fitness data is important, but the fitness data we can skip. It's mainly, yeah, so a life coach is what I want to make Johnny. And then we'll see how it, let me see. And just everything A to Z, how to improve life and like health, nutrition, and so on. Well, nutrition we can skip. And just how to improve the work, like optimize all my time to the max and just optimize my workflow and everything. Manual check-ins are very important. Google Calendar sync, but it can also have its own calendar. And yes, a coaching style that the AI will always like drill and help improve, like better schedules, better that you're not slacking off, that it sends messages and everything. And it will really help me make or become a billionaire in the coming next years. And we don't need Twilio or WhatsApp per se, that was just an example. And you do research on similar systems and then what we can also still add. And we'll see, because I wanted to make this with Fable and just see how it will do it. Okay, and this is done. Okay, shortly explained, how much would it cost us to get this up and running? Let me see the competition. Okay, never mind. What's this saying? You don't even need Pro. Okay, we can skip certain AI things or that they're like optional. But now give me the full prompt to generate the mock-up design in ChatGPT, thank you. And then we'll go from there. Let me see if this one's like working. But we'll build two things today, like an AI coach to optimize my life. And then I can also like build upon it and like sell all the other apps together. Like that's like all separate, like Solvent for finance, Vitals for health. And then you can like buy the main one that's all interconnected. Because it's easy to link up data, strangely enough, like with Supabase or with even with QD database or whatever it's called. It's so easy to link up data. So you could technically make 3 apps and then just interconnect them all. Or just connect them all. What is this? I just want to see. We'll see what ChatGPT gives us. If I'm happy with the design, we'll build that. But the most interesting thing, or the thing I'm most excited for, is this like coach. I will mainly use it for work, not for my health, but mainly for work and just to spam me on my phone or something that just tell me to work. And I know people are trying to sell that, but it's not really. I saw like one dude sell it, but it was only for phone. How's Fable 5 so far? Yeah, it is good. I would say it's good. It's like better. It's better than Opus 4.8. And also for all the ones in the chat, what I do recommend you do is use Fable 5 to scan all your old apps and do like a full rundown for everything and optimize. Just tell it to do a full rundown with Fable 5 and then he will come up with improvements. Security, you don't need to check, just tell him that he can like go through the entire app and optimize the code. Because security, you don't even need to like double check if you use Supabase and Vercel and all those. It's taking a while. I'm curious if you get a good design or not. But I will try and like push this app to at least 500 users. And the app is like $10 if I remember right. Like, but I'll probably like raise the price later on, like for the first users, $10, and then later on raise the price. Because we do have a lot in the fitness app that are now like really think about it, and when I use it more on my phone, we have like, or well, use the new version, we have like the Tinder like swiping on the exercises. We have the AI coach, the nutrition. You just make a photo of food, and like it tells you everything. So now we just need to promote the app. Ask me the connectors again. I don't remember I approved it, strangely enough. Strange. Also, let me check if my correct mic. we have like a problem in Unity. But currently I'm not satisfied with this Unity project, just because it's not... Maybe it's using credits, but it didn't generate me nice stuff what I need. That's a problem. So maybe I'll like go manually in it and work with the Unity AI, or whatever it's called, AI assistant. But we'll just focus on this thing to get it done. Okay, so this is our main competitor apparently. Sama. Okay, it's also decent. Per month, built yearly. Okay. Just want to see how much their app has. Okay, 458. It's quite a simple app. Okay. Okay, it's from Y Combinator, get up, New York. Okay.
Sansama is...
Okay, so this is our main competitor, but they don't use AI. Like, we can like sell this as like some AI startup. Or well, maybe they use AI. Pull sound attacks into your daily. Okay, so this is the main thing. Yo, Zoc, welcome to the stream. Okay, but this is our main competitor. Good to know. How much would it cost to get this up and running? What is this? Okay. Didn't like that AI wallpaper day, right? Too many useless prompts. Yeah, no, it was also hard to read, and the problem with it is you cannot copy paste it easily. Zoc, what I would do if I was you, make like it in a PDF that you can like copy paste. Yo, PR, welcome to the stream. Or like try and do it in a different file type, or like ask Claude to do it in HTML. Then it's like, then you have like more control over it, and then you can read the text. Because in some of the images it was just making things up. But we'll make this AI coach and then we'll see. And I have no clue what he is doing in Unity, but we'll let him. We'll let Fable 5 cook in Unity. And I'm like finishing this horror game we did yesterday just for the fun of it. I do want to like at least make one good AI game or AI made game. Yeah, it is. I just want to keep it on my wall to keep. Oh. Wait, well then let me check, because what I remember is that it was like a bit glitched visually. That some things were like a bit glitched. Right, project showcase or what was it? But I need to like find the image again. Let me see. Telegram bot free. Well, already running. That's not true. Claude API, the only real cost. Okay, you write me the full prompt, and I just need it to wire fully up in my life and then see what I can improve for workflow and how my time is spent. But first, generate me a prompt that ChatGPT can generate a design mockup, and you can choose the designer, like give me multiple design options. Tell it to generate multiple images, and then I'll choose the best design that I like. I have no clue what he's doing in Unity yet, but I'll check on him in a few. But nah, I definitely do want to make a game in Claude, but I'll probably make a strategy game or something. But I just need to think what exactly. I just want to make a strategy game for the fun of it. Even though I know it's probably not going to make as much money as like a app or SaaS. Well, no money pretty much. Did the ads work, Jacob? Ah, nice, nice. But what I would do though, first check if the posts work before you like invest money in like a new post. W? Nah, but the free demo definitely works. And if you target your region or like the country where you speak the language, and it's always better. Or just the country where you can speak the language of. And all the ones new in the chat, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. For the ones wondering what I'm doing, I'm building like an AI coach. Or like I'm just going to wire it up to my Google Agenda, and I'm going to like make it send me messages on my phone. Like build some AI coach, and then also promote it. Nice, nice. Okay, he's like doing research. We'll probably do this later on at some point. But I do like the designs he gave us. But that's for another day. Okay, what am I going to see here? Create image, up. Direction number 2. Should have like generated. Have to run and generate each direction twice. Okay, we'll do it like one by one. It will take a bit longer, but we'll just go through it one by one and then we'll choose. I could technically open up 4 chats and then we can do it, but we'll do it like this. Try and do the visual design better and do a full rundown, because I'm still not satisfied with the lighting and the visual designs. Yo, Saijin, welcome to the stream. Come on, is it almost done? I wanna see if it can give me a good design or not. Okay, I get where it's coming from, but I'm not satisfied with this, but it could be better. I probably will like the Swiss scoreboard better. It's also missing some screens, but that's okay. It will like make a lock-in AI. I do like deep work, the streak. What about the game? I have it running on the site because my usage was empty yesterday, but I'm continuing it. I'll probably check it out in a few once it's done. Okay, it's either going to be 3 or 4, and then we'll see. Also, the characters don't need to be people, they just need to be like, well, we'll leave the AI up to it. He'll be allowed to do whatever. And I'll jump in later. Ooh, this I do not like. We'll see if number 4 gives us something nice, but if not, we'll need to think of a different direction, or I'll just like need to prompt the AI again. Let me even see what else I have in my PDF or my Google Doc. Transfer all domains, no. Something I would also still need to do is like do the real estate thing, because I might need to like organize the streams a bit better of what I want to do. But I definitely want to make the dashboard. Yeah, no, it's not this AI coach dashboard, and then the real estate one, and I'll like make it WordPress and also custom code it, and just add some nice features for people to use. Because the real estate people just want like pay, and then that works. Yeah, I'm not satisfied with this design. It doesn't look vibe codey, but it's not what I need. Like then this one is the best, but I'm not happy. It's not like user friendly for everybody. I'm not satisfied with the designs, or well, maybe just a general feel. Can you try and enhance the prompt? Just give me 2 styles for design. And now we just wait. Now, for the love of the game, I shouldn't like make a Unity game or something with AI. Because I did see AI did get a lot better at making games, and then just the visual models you could technically generate with the new Unity AI. And I'm actually not sure what they use to generate the models in Unity with the new assistant, but we'll figure that out. Like, we're brainstorming for the design, but I'm not satisfied with this. Unreal Engine 4.8 is correct. Yeah, I've heard of it, that apparently is very good with AI, so I might give that a try too. But then, why I wanted to use Unity is for like the WebGL or whatever it's called, that you can like play the game in the browser. But if I like want to make a real game, then I'm probably gonna use Unreal Engine with the AI. Let me even check now. Like, do you need to pay something separate or? Well, okay, I assume you can just MCP them in. I'll add that in the other horror game here. Wait, I'll just copy paste your thing in here. And then I'll check that in a few once it's done. No, I might give it a try. Yeah, I just copy pasted it into this one. The prompt isn't that great, but you will understand it from the former, because he gave all of them different abilities anyway. Yeah, I know they did. It's like, was just a simple ID and everything. But did they make it with AI? Yeah, I know Mecha Chameleon. Is it AI or what? I thought they made it themselves. I thought it, but yeah, you can make loads and loads of money. You just need a good ID and it needs to be simple. Was it made with AI? Probably not, but was it? I just want to see. But technically, you could do it with AI, so. Interesting. Ah, but you just need a good ID and then you can make it. Just need a good ID for a game and then you have it. And especially in this day and age, you can code anything with vibe coding. You have so many people and developers that say, security, blah, 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 but you can literally code anything. Like, I've coded so many SaaS tools for people, it's insane. For like 5K, 7K. For just companies I know, they just, hey, can you make up 7K 1 month later? Well, 2 week and a half, and I have their full SaaS tools, and then you just connect them all together and hub. Like, you can literally vibe code anything, games, web apps, but well, games is like new territory, but like SaaS and everything you can do. The problem with games is you need models. That's the thing, you just need models. And like, well, we just searched up, like Mecha Chameleon, you can use like open source free library models or like MIT licensed. You just need models from somewhere, and just models that look good, but the code can be fully AI generated. Also, let me see why this is not generating, because just want like the image done, so I can like choose a design and get started to build the AI coach. Just so I like have a good idea what I want. But maybe I should also think of like a viral game ID. But like the community games, like we have seen in like the last years, like Lethal Company, other game I should know, just Mecha Chameleon, Repo, Lethal Company, and I forgot the name. Let me even see. Yeah, this game, like Repo, Lethal Company, all these games, what they all have together, it's like a friends game. Like, I forgot the exact name, but just let me even see that I like remember the game genre. Yeah, the drug dealing game, schedule one. Let me even see the name of it. Yeah, it's not co-op, like, just, I forgot the exact name, the group game, or like just a specific name for it. I'll remember the name in a few. Okay, this is already better, like, and the ID what I want. We aren't there yet. No, not indie game, like the specific name for like all those co-op games, or like all those friend slop games, or whatever the guy said on the game awards thing. But no clue. It's so easy to like you can make money with everything. That's what I'm trying to say. You can make money with everything online, like drop shipping, selling courses, or well, selling courses I don't endorse, but you can make money with selling websites, SaaS, your mobile apps even. Like, it's just the time to be alive, the time to make the internet money. But come on, like, I just want my image, and then I can like start building. because it's like been 20 minutes. And it's like not giving me good designs. Normally like gives me fire designs. I think you miss it. I needed like a full web app. It's first going to be a web app. So try and really make the visual view of the website and like how the dashboard would look. Give me that kind of prompt. I'm not sure about the brand yet. Yes, what do you mean with unethical stuff? Yeah, but no, unethical stuff is not the way to go online, like by selling shady courses, hacking Google and all that. But why does Google need to lock inside Jin, or did they get hacked, or what is the thing again? Or with their AIs, you mean? Like the Google AI, the only thing that I really used of Google was Google Stitch for like designs a few times because it's free. I like made demos with Google Stitch and then just sold projects and then I made them in Claude Code. And that's the only reason I used the Google AI tools. If that is Google from... Yeah. Cool, like the AI is taking too long for my designs, man. Like I just want the design and I can get building. Obsidian Ledger. It's very good, but the only thing, what I would say about, I cannot pronounce French, but it's the same as the $20 plan. The only difference is you have more usage. But I would say I recommend the $200 if you have the money to spec. If you have like the money, if you already made money online, then upgrade. But if you haven't made money online yet, just stick to the $20 plan or like the 5x, in my opinion. First, like try and make some income and then you can upgrade all your subscriptions. But soon after Fable 5, I'll probably lower my plan to 5x and I'll get the 20x on ChatGPT Codex just to test it out for the month. Because I'm not going to have like two 20x subscriptions because they're too expensive. Ah, nice. Is GLM 5.2 good or not? Like a lot of people say it's decent, but still cannot compare to Claude Code. I haven't used it personally, just because the price is as much as both of them, I think. Which plan you have, if I may ask? Just the Lite, Pro, Max? It's good for UI, you can check Design Arena. Let me see. This is the first time I've heard of Design Arena. I'm using it in Open Router, nice. This is the first time I've even heard of Design Arena. I'll favorite it. Let me see the leaderboards. Win rate. Well, I do still see Claude Code is on top. Maybe it's not updated because I don't see Fable. Yeah, I'm on the leaderboards here, or well, overall front end. Priority later. Ah, yeah, that AI. Good idea. Yeah, I'll include that later in the horror game. Yeah, I mentioned include. Yeah, it's good on the list, but I still feel it cannot really compare to Claude because even the leaderboard says so. In my opinion, it's getting close, but in my opinion, because this is even the GLM seems as expensive, but yeah, you have open router, so it's like decent, I suppose. I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan of the design, personally. And this one is the best. But what even is this? Can you give me the updated prompt for the glassmorphic screen? It will probably be this one or this. We'll see. Normally it should have been able to like allow itself to edit, but strange. Also try and add and do a full rundown yourself, for example, that if I break blocks there's particles and everything. I'm just going to stop the AI and let him continue. Usage ends in... Okay. Cool, I just want like a good design so I can like get started with the building. And I don't just want to rip a design from Mobin or whatever it's called. Come on. Oh, okay, no. It's going to either be the F1 inspired thing or the glassmorphic. It will probably be the glassmorphic or whatever it's called. I want to see if I've heard of that model, or maybe you sent it yesterday. Let me first check on my other screen. Oh yeah, this one. I do not think it will beat Fable 5 though. Yeah, it seemed a bit shady. I didn't check it that in detail, but in my opinion, nothing is going to beat Fable 5. There's no AI, like even the leader Bordeaux and like the what's the name again? Let me double check. Yeah, the design arena leaderboard even said like all the Opus models are the best. So nothing is beating Fable 5 in any time soon, unless it's like Fable 6 that releases. Cool, come on, like, give me this design so I can get started. They're testing a slot in their models using other models. Crazy. Well, I don't know that much about that AI. I never used it. I heard of it yesterday, the Sakam Fugu or whatever it's called. Okay, come on, generate me this image and then we can get started. Will I make this? One moment, because I opened it in the wrong way. I like need the full prompt. Okay, I now need the full prompt for Claude Design so we can get started. And I'll throw this in there together with the other thing. I chose the Glassmatic liquid glass, by the way. And I'll try and see how fast I can like speedrun the AI assistant, or like the AI life optimizer, or whatever you wanna call it. I used to be into crypto a lot. I'm not that up to date now. In my opinion, and it's going to be like sound really crude and rough, but in my opinion, crypto currently is just a scam fest. Everybody's scamming each other, either rug pulling each other, doing meme coins. Like currently, it's not worth. It's good if you're like on the stable tokens, but if you're like doing meme tokens or like blockchain gaming, I don't know anything about that anymore. I used to be into blockchain gaming a lot, or like into crypto gaming or blockchain gaming, whatever you want to call it, and meme. Or well, meme tokens, not that. I didn't do that much on pump.fun or whatever it was called. But currently, in my opinion, crypto is just a scam or not worth to get into. Like currently it's just the trenches. Everybody's rug pulling each other. So if you're just doing Bitcoin and Ethereum and Shiba and Doge, then all good, but... Or what coins do you do, Bordeaux? Or well, I'm saying Bordeaux wrong. For real, TCG? Ah, okay. You mean from Illuvium, or really just Pokemon cards in TCG? Or you mean like the from Illuvium and all of those? Oh? Okay, Claude is smart. Claude is smart. You already opened design for me. Even though it didn't work. Let me see. I'll just throw it in there. I'm bullish on Pokemon cards on chain. There's this one punch called Collector Crypt. You can check all. I only have, or well, I have both of them linked to Obsidian, but I just let it like run in the background when I use it on local. Not all my AI is linked to Obsidian. Foreign build. Let me see. We might get into crypto again. Oh, nice. Nice. Well, I might get more into it, but currently I think I will give crypto another 2 to 3 years until it like starts popping off again, like in the golden times or in the golden age a few years back. Nah, I'm not gonna go into crypto right now. I'm going to wait at least a few more years until it's stabilized and okay. Or like when there's something happening, when it's like popping off in all fields. And then later on, we maybe want to make the Dollar Vibe Club. And we will like want to make the Dollar Vibe Club token later on. The Gacha is their main project due to. Ah, nice. Waiting for 40k? Ah, what do you mean for? Which 40k? The strategy game. Or what was it called? Total War? What they gonna release? Nah, the game is not ready yet, Saijin. Cool, why do I constantly need to click approve? Cool, like, I hope he can cook something up, like, I don't have hope for it fully, but... I meant Bitcoin, okay. Is Bitcoin that low already, or what? What did I miss? What price are we at? Okay. Well, Bitcoin has seen better days. We have seen better days indeed. Bitcoin has seen better days, yeah. But hey, still. I used to be active around like this time a lot. Should have bought Bitcoin at like in 2022. But still, like if you could have gotten Bitcoin in 2016, then you would have been rich. If you bought a lot of it, of course. Okay. Okay, will he cook? Will he cook? That's the question. Lighter is the next big thing. No clue what that is. Or what token that is, no clue. It's like a mosquito. There's always a mosquito here. We'll see. We'll see if we can cook something up. Continue to the full rundown. Well, it still has too much heavy colors and I'm not a fan of the models. And try and also already link up the screen so if people want to share their screen. Yeah, Jacob, you all good or how did your PC go on fire? Almost got phishings. Ah, okay, I thought your PC was on fire. Yeah, no, that is true, that is true. Always just invest in yourself, just bet always on yourself instead of like other people. Cool. I'm still not happy with this design, I'm not sure. Can you recommend me design? Wait, interview me, talk with me. What do you think would be a nice design for this? Because now you have like general idea of what it is. Interview me, ask me a few questions. I don't know, clarity, pressure, confidence, competition. It's just for me and Tommy, but later on I want it like to be implemented and for other founders and ambitious people to use. But I'm mainly going to promote and use it myself. The day score, the accountability, like that it scores every single day and says, okay, this is you could have done better, like that has schedule and execution and like really coaches me to tell me what to do to make like $1 million at the end of the year or in like the coming months. Very hard, but you should like be able to set the settings, but I want it like drill sergeant hard. And I like want the score of 0 to 100 every single day. Series operating system. Well, I don't know actually. The only thing, the sign liquid glass and the red F1 pit wall seemed the nicest, and the private banking black and gold was also nice. And also for all the ones new in the chat, say hi, let me know what you're working on. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe, then we're at like 310 subscribers. Here, I don't know why the box was behind that thing. Let me see, alright. Okay, generate me a prompt, or if you have still questions, just generate me the prompt. And also, it should like military racing performance for the 100 score, and it will judge me on like the hours of work, and maybe revenue, maybe also, but just like mix of all four of all the things. And think also with me what we can like record in the day. Like I also stream daily, also weigh that into the score and everything. Command center with multiple live panels. You can choose for number 4. Now generate me the design, please, or like the design style, and you can like make it the color. You can choose the color and everything. But we'll see what he comes up with, because with this I'm not satisfied. Like this ain't convinced me. It's okay, but it's not what we need for like the 10 billion or like the $1 million design. Why do I need to constantly click? Okay. I'm thinking of also some more content IDs also for the Dollar Vibe Club, but maybe I'll just like start just filming and speaking and just posting that. Or just like motivational speeches once a while. Because if we could get Dollar Vibe Club to 1,000 users at the end of the month, that would be nice. Generate me a mock-up or just a design. Okay, he's already wiring up LiveGit. It's not what I want. No, I'm not gonna go to uni, sadly. Or well, sadly. I chose to not go to uni. I find it a waste of time, but maybe that's just because it's my country and we don't really have any good unis. Or well, we have like Genk or Ghent or whatever it's called in Belgium. If it's free, then I would still not go. Actually, then I would still not go. I prefer teaching my own or just teaching on my own online. I make more money also by doing that, so. And I don't think there's I don't see, for me, I just don't see the potential or like the value of going to school for another 5 years until I prefer to now work when I'm 18 and just make lots and lots of money and then live life. Maybe go to Thailand more, go more to Asia, go to Japan, some more, Poland. Because truly, like I was already making money in high school, like selling WordPress websites, and then I remember like when it was like, I think it was, what's it called in English? Spring. Like when it was spring vacation, I just went to Thailand. Just while it was like when I was still in school, I just went to Thailand. Now I will link up with Tommy soon. But I have linked up with Tommy before, but like, he's now on vacation with some other people of the family. Or well, family. Well, yeah, they're pretty much family. But nah, it's sad. Free Tommy, because he's not allowed to stream in his hotel room. Or like the hotel he rented. This is already better, but I'm not convinced. Yeah, we're on my toss, the golf goods go. I need, wrong screenshots. I need it more like this style of design. Can you do that for me? No, in my opinion, Bordeaux, it's better to just find communities for networking or just even LinkedIn. But in my country, you're not gonna like network well at like the schools here, just because everybody's drinking and high, and that not everybody is drinking and high at uni, but like there's in my country you have so many. You have like, I don't care. Like I publicly say I'm from Belgium. This city, if you are going to uni in a city called Leuven in Belgium, it's just a party city. It's like the students, it's just a student party city where everybody drinks. Yeah, you can search it up, like everybody's drunk in Leuven. It's like the people from international schools go to Leuven to drink. Or like unis go there to drink. I should go there just for the joke or like or well, I know a lot of people that go there. I might go there once or twice, but partying and drinking is not really for me. Just because I don't see the value in it. Wow, you could say fun or something, but like getting wasted and then puking on the street isn't that interesting. Nah, but yeah, free Tommy is all I can say. Free Tommy, that he's not allowed to stream in the hotel room. Because they thought he was like having a party or something because he was very loud in the hotel room. Good thing is, I'm going to just work here a good year because it's my own apartment. That's also why I can like stream at like all the time I want. It kills your hard-earned gains. True. Or well, for the gym it doesn't really matter. If you mean the gym, I'm not promoting alcohol consumption, but it's not that bad. How did you start vibe coding? How can we do it too? Where to start? What did you do first, etc. LMKD, or I'll just call you LMK. Go to the dollarvibeclub.com. It's fully free. It's like a school where we teach people how to make money. Go to classrooms. Scroll all the way down to how to fire for noobs. Join group. Go to material. And then open file. There's a full PDF explaining how to do Fiverr A to Z and how to get clients locally. What I would recommend, LMK, is first get clients. First get like a few clients, just like 1,000 euro, 1,000 euro. Make money, then buy higher subscriptions, in my opinion. And then you can also learn by doing client projects. What do you mean Bordeaux with a hot take? But nah, they could hear him through the room, or somebody complained that he was like screaming or something. I don't know. I just know he's not allowed to stream, but free Tommy. Cool, like, this design is already better. I do like the logo. Like, I might... I like the logo. Can you generate me the logo in a separate PNG? Thank you. Ah, fuck. I did it in edit image. My bad. And all the ones new in the stream, say hi. Let me know what you're working on currently. What kind of project. Come on. But no, I don't think so. No clue. I just know he's not allowed to stream. Free Tommy though. Free Tommy. Please review what? Wait. Well, I can't see all messages, I think. Review what? Golf? If you send the link in chat, I cannot see it on YouTube. What? If join the Discord, free the golf goods go. Join the Discord and throw the link in the project showcase, and then I'll take a look at it. Join the Discord and put it in like the project showcase, and then I'll take a look at it. Or I'll check your profile in a few, like I'll click on your profile and then check. But like, make it easy. Just join the Discord and send me the link. That's easier for me. And then also, I might change the logo. I'm not convinced about this yet. W moderator Johnny, but let me check. I'll check the golfgoods.co. Where? Ah no, I also jailbroke it once or twice. Wait, the golf goods, tell me what I need to look at then. Or what you want me to look at. What is this? Nah, the game is still improving, but I like added some new features, like for clicking debris. The game is almost done, I think. But I just let the AI go on auto mode and like just do its thing. Also, people should be able to customize their dashboards and update their own things and like update, like everybody's a bit different for their work. For example, not everybody streams, but I do already like the design a lot. Yeah, it's the same horror game we made yesterday, but just a bit updated because the credits ran out yesterday. Also, the golf goods, let me know what you want me to review or send me the link, because if it's this website, I don't really... Well, this is just a standard template in WordPress or something. Pretty sure. Oh, come on, lock in AI, lock in. Could you give me a full prompt on how you made the screen? Could you give me a full prompt on how you made the screen so the AI will also edit the links and everything? Or well, not the links, but the icons and just the general feel of like the animations. The Replit link? What Replit link? Wait, but send me the link in Discord, then it's easier, then I know what link you mean. Because there's no Replit link here. Well, let me check. I'll take a look for you. But there's no Replit link here, so... The golf goods, just send me the Replit link in chat, or well, not in chat, in Discord, because as you can see, it doesn't show me the links in stream or in YouTube. Once it gives me the prompt here, I copy. Yeah, but it doesn't show, if you can see here, it doesn't show the link. Because YouTube doesn't allow links, it shadow bans them automatically. Okay, he will update that, customize is all good. Okay, this logo is nice though. I'm thinking what else I need for kind of like visuals. Maybe also add a way for the that I can like connect. Or well, I don't have an Apple Watch. I want to like connect my vitals. I know I have that in like the health app, but I don't have an Apple Watch because I don't see the use of it. Like, what can you even do with the Apple Watch? What can you do with the Apple Watch? The only reason I would buy an Apple Watch is for like connecting Shopify, maybe for the joke. Yeah, no, it's not worth it. What do you mean I never downloaded before? Ah, Discord, you mean? What do you mean, the golf? Yo, Forts, GMD, welcome to the stream. But nah, golf goods, if you mean Discord, you can also just join the website and send the link there. But then I'll approve you. Cool, why is this taking so long? Also, GMD, let me know what you're currently working on, I'm curious, because I think it's the first time I see you here in chat. Oh, he's cooking? Or well, this is the same design, but like a bit updated. No, it's decent, like... Also, I would need the general today screen a bit better. Could you generate me some nice visual? Okay, let me see. It made the horror game, if I remember what the name was. Here, let me see if it's updated. We'll play the horror game for the meme of it. Can you push and merge? We'll play the horror game while the design gets updated. Let me see. Okay, we'll see for the fun of it, because we made the game yesterday and we optimized it a bit today. I'll play the game in a few once it's like pushed and merged. He's generating me variations. Currently improving my lead system, which scrapes all business in my state daily and enriches so I can outreach. Ah, nice. And what do you do? Just cold email them, or what do you do? And if I may ask, how many clients did you get from that? From cold emailing, or just outreach? Or what kind of business do you have, if I may ask? Also, is this better? Well, it's like testing. It's testing the game for me. Like, I'm thinking. Let me see Discord. If I like have something else on the list. Not that I remember, to be honest. But I'll maybe make a website for a friend of mine also, but on a separate stream or like the next stream. Oh, come on, like I want to use the game. Like he just needs to push in merge, but now he's fully testing it. He is doing no clue what. Cold call, targeting new service business, make them website, set up Google business profile business. Nice. How much do you charge, if I may ask? But nice. Making that internet money. And if I may ask, how many like email or how many cold calls you need to do for like getting clients? Like what's the success rate and like 10 clients or 100? If you know the exact number. So is this? I need all screens a bit more enhanced so that I can easily add info into it. Also, let me see, because normally I have access. Mosquito. I can sign in the old websites. I need to double check if I have access to the project I wanted to do. I don't think so. Oh, maybe I do. Okay, there is. Now, get up. I'm going to fully like put this in a repo and then send to the AI. I'll approve you in a few of the golf goods. Create remote. Private. Okay, I'll use fixing that. But I'll check your product and a few the golf goods. But definitely also do get Discord because that's where I feel like the most vibe coders are at. Let me see. Come on. Push to main. Okay, let me also quickly approve, yeah. Dollar Vibe Club. Okay, a lot of people joined up to the Dog Vibe Club, but without saying hi, sadly enough. If you are new in the chat, do say hi. This is just a fake email. This is okay. Okay, I added to you and also 4 others. Okay. What do you mean not pull my handle? From what? But also you're approved, by the way, in the website. Yeah, you don't need to ping me, bro. I see the messages. I always check chat. And the ping doesn't do that much, just on stream. Let me see, come on. I want the repo. Refresh, come on. Go to file, download zip. This thing is probably like not securely set up at all, but this is like an old Replit project of mine, but doesn't have anything useful in it anyway. Just like info, but not even cool info. It's just my finance info that I like made long before. Wrong zip file by the looks of it. Oh wait, I'll check in Discord. Okay, I don't see you in Discord, bro. Also, it's not Hunter Yep in Discord. You can join the Discord in the description. But I'm just one of the admins in the Discord, just Hunter Yep. Let me... Do I need to manually delete the zips? That's not, should be a better way. Okay, open. Yeah, the game was like push and merging. First, let me do the zip. Come on, loading. I just want to do the zip first. I need to make a new chat for... Mother... no, okay, it is the right one. Okay, I needed to make a new chat. Can you double check for me and then try and make something like this? It has all the info you need. I recently started in the Vibe Code space. We rent the best code editor that's reasonable price and offered. The best ones, the only ones you need, Tabish, or yeah, Tabish, is Claude or ChatGPT. I recommend Claude Code. The only one you need is Claude Code. Also, let me now check the horror game. Varies by what they need, but 2K tickets upfront, 200 months. Ah, nice. Should also start doing more cold calling, but like I get more than enough clients via Fiverr, and I also have like a few I'm contracted with, but I should try and do more cold calling just for some extra money. And he told you look like that. No, I didn't. The first time I've heard that I look like another YouTuber, but with a different voice. GMD, I am building a whole lot for now. I just made a funny game with Fable 5 because I want to test it, but my main project and also why I stream is the Dollar Vibe Club. And I just teach people how to make money online, or we teach people how to turn vibe coding in a business. There's so many fake course sellers online, and that's why we made the Dollar Vibe Club. And we have a few groups in it. But that's my main thing, and then I have a few others, Baked OS, Skilly, and then a few I'm contracted with. But let me first see, like we made this funny horror game, let me see. Also Golf, or I forgot the name. The Golf Goods Code, let me know where you sent me. You keep the design style we have, like the AI Live operating system as like new design style operator, keep that. All demo data doesn't need to be real for now. Okay, let me see. Here, I'll play the funny horror game. But do I look like him? But like, what hair type does he have? I'll like check it in a few. Like, let me first see if the horror game has some improvements. Nah, that's not true. GMD. Oh, it does take a while to like take your brand. I think a few months, but definitely you can charge 8K on Fiverr, or like 5K per project. And it's a nice way. Like Upwork and Fiverr are very different. And for Fiverr, the clients come to you. Yeah, I know who Kylo Ren is, but I'll Google it in a few. Do want to try the game a bit, or just see if. Alright, normally there's an admin panel that's been added. Is there no way I can like leave the game open? Okay, like this. I'm curious what he'll give me. How do you know it's C to craft? I made the game, but crazy. Bro knows more about the game than me. No, it is a Horror game, but the Horror starts in like a minute or two. How did I open the Vercel panel, bro? Motherfucker. Close the Vercel panel, bro. Like. No, it's a horror game in Fable, but let me first see, like, at 8 PM or something it spawns. Let me stop the music, and I can do this. Nah, I should also start with cold calling more. My French is bad, so I'll probably only do Dutch clients. Yeah, W told me sad, bro. Cool. We'll make this like a mobile game. Because I could technically launch this on mobile because I have the Apple Dev account. I do want a nicer login screen, or you can remove the login screen from. Oh well. Also, I need it in a new style design. Do not take. I just wanted you to take over the general idea of what else was needed and to add. Teach me how you all say hello. We just say hello, same as in German. Cool. But not a fan of the horror game. Let me see. I'll let it run for a bit. We're like invincible on this spot anyway. Yeah, it's just hello. Or hi. But we don't really have a specific guten Tag. But it's like just jerk. If you say it to a German, they understand. Yeah, I have the $200 plan. Bro, I'm familiar to the exact animation rules I have in mind. You have. Tabash, do you use a whisper flow? The best way is like to really explain to the AI, talk with the AI, download whisper flow or Lemon and just start speaking. Really try and speak and explain to the AI what you want. Officially, or a good question actually. My French and German are both bad. But actually I just speak Dutch and English. But I might learn more languages later on. But like the languages I'm comfortable in speaking like fluently is just Dutch and English. But like on school, what? Well, I don't care if the mic is low quality. We have like the meta glasses mic. We do it for the LARP. For the LARP, we need to like use the meta glasses mic. No, my Chinese isn't good. Like my Cantonese isn't that great. No, I might buy a mic for like here in like the t-shirt, like what everybody uses. But for now, I'll just use the meta glasses mic. I could technically use the headset, but I like using the glasses just for the meme of it. Yeah, I don't know if it's that low quality. As long as you can hear me, it should be fine. And it's the meta, like that is meta's fault for the mic. Normally the mic should be decent. Well, I don't know what model I have. I think Gen 2 or 1. But I should use the meta glasses mic or like the meta glasses more. Okay, thank you, Wayne or Chapo. Thank you for like appreciating the mic quality. But I should use the meta glasses more for content. Yeah, crazy. But he has like the troll profile pic. So yeah. But the horror game is decent, but what is the cheat menu? I have done that actually, but on on my my mentor's glasses, Tommy, he also streams on YouTube. I used his glasses once when I was in Thailand. I've used the X-Reels. Also, I'll like implement the cheat menu. Implement the cheat menu for me, please. Like, I've used these ones. Not Donald Trump, give me a moment. I use these glasses, X-Reel. Wayne or Chapo. Like, I would only buy the 20x if you're making money. If you're already making money with vibe coding and you really are like hitting your limits on the plan, then upgrade. Tabels or Tabi, I cannot pronounce the name, I'm bad with names. Go to dolgvibeclub.com, go to classrooms, scroll all the way down how to fire for noobs. And this explains how you can get your first Fiverr clients and also local clients. There's like full PDFs in here. And this is the beginner friendly course, or well, you just download this PDF, throw it into Claude Code, and then he has all the info. And you can also go through this, it's like 20 pages or so. Or 28. You can just like skim through it, but you can also feed it to your AI. But no, I use these glasses, Chapo, the X-Reels, and then just Meta, the VR Brill, or Oculus, or whatever they're called. I try and stay away from like all shady third-party things and like the Russian API tokens for €2 or whatever it is. But I try and stay away from those. Yeah, not all of them, but I'm implementing a cheat menu. We saw a few of them, but I'm like implementing a cheat menu really quick. No, he didn't add what I want. I need to also have all the other screens added. Now you just completely took over the old design with the new things. No, it was a bit hoggled before with certain characters, but not that great. New things. I just want the old design, or well, the new design fully in it, and then the old design like included together with it. So keep the old logo, keep the old design and everything. I think he misunderstood me, like, but we'll see. You can, Jacob is an expert in it. Or Count, what's his name? The full name. Now, you know, I mean, Count has all the shady APIs for $2, but I don't recommend it. Just pay the €20 for Claude and then get working, in my opinion. Also, but no, Wayne, definitely do check out the course at Dollar Vibe Club, it's free. But as a graphics designer, because I don't know any backend in like coding language, but you can make, if you can make nice designs and then make the full backend working for dev work, then you can make so much money, or like it. Where did you send me the link? The guy again just dropped the video explaining Chinese tokens. Yeah, the whole Chinese token sellers and the Russian token sellers, I'm staying away from all that. I'll just stick to my Claude Code subscriptions for now. Send the link in your... Where did you send it, the golf goods? Or well, the golf goods, I have no clue where you send it. In which group? Let me see. Might like need to use the admin panel to figure out. Let me check, I'll check it out. Is this one? Your link isn't public. Yeah, but your link isn't public, strangely enough. You need to publish it. In Replit, do /publish, or like in the top guide, there's like a plus icon. Wait, I'll show you on a random project. Which one is this? Wait. Here in the top guide, click on the plus icon and then publish the site and then send me the URL and then I can view it. What website even was this? Geogenic. Okay, well this is better, and then I'll just quickly launch it. And I'll prove it over time. What's the geogenic thing or this? The geogenic thing was like a hairdresser website. No clue, Johnny. I'm new to Mac. Sometimes I just see that thing. Sometimes I see like things on the Mac happen that I have no clue about. Like I don't even know how I do it. Like once I think if you just go with your mouse fast enough, it becomes big. Not sure. I'll prompt that also for you, but I think something is wrong with the AI. Let me see why. Yeah, we have like the Mac Mini for the LARP. I just bought it for the meme of, or well, for the meme. I bought it because I wanted to see what the Mac experience is like. But I am very happy with using the Mac, or like just the Mac Mini. I used to work on a Windows laptop and also PC, but then I switched just for the... And this is just the first time I'm using Mac, but I am happy with it. I would say you can work on both. You can work on Windows or Mac. It doesn't really have that much of a difference. I don't really play that many games, but if you want to play games on Mac, you go to GeForce, Cloud Gaming. Or well, this is not my logged in account, but you just go to GeForce Now and this is just, it's as high quality, it's like $12 a month. And then you have the power of like 4080 or something, not sure. I just know you can run everything on it. You can run every single game on cloud gaming. Nah, I bought the Mac myself. I don't even think Tommy has a Mac Mini, or well, he has one. Oh well, no, Tommy has one too. Nah, but I bought it because I wanted it and I wanted to see the experience. And my other laptop that I like used to travel and work was dying. I bought it. This laptop, it's like here, but like I have the camera mounted on it. It's 6 or 8 months old, fully dead. It doesn't work anymore. It's like something burned in it. I think in Thailand, something burned. I think the RAM stick or something burned in it. But yeah, the delay isn't even that. What do you mean delay? Ah, the RAM prices, yeah. Yeah, I was lucky. But I used to like, I want to like upgrade or have a PC later on, but when the RAM prices go down again. But that's when I like live somewhere like on a location, because I'm only going to stay here probably a year or maybe a year and a half. But definitely I stay here for 1 year and then I'll see. Yeah, the Mac Mini was expensive though. I think I bought it for 1,000 something. Okay, he's implementing the changes. Also, is this all done? Okay, now give me a full handoff file and then Claude Code will continue in his own repo. I'll probably update the design a lot more, but operator. But for now, it's already looking decent. Okay, I thought it added my real info, but it was already too low, so I was already thinking. Okay, it's nice it already added a few of my banks, but I still need to add a lot more. Alright. Hey, only for one person, remove Tommy in the finance or like in all the projects. This is just for me separate, and then later on we'll add a feature to invite people and so on. Because now it's just taking over the old finance thing, because we used to have like this, where is it? This thing. Yeah, moving to achievement. Yeah, I'm probably going to move back to Asia. Or well, move back to Asia. I'll probably go to Thailand or something, or China, Shenzhen. Yeah, but no, Tabish, do send me the app, Tabish. Just send me the app in Discord or in the Dollar Vibe Club. Or well, now I think of it, why am I making this double? I have solvent. Crazy. Should have just done solvent now I really think of it. Is this my AI? No. But I'll finish this one. First cell, no. Yeah, China Loki, Taobao sell, nice, true. I'll probably them still be in Shenzhen. I think China, Shenzhen is nice, just also for all the technology. And then I can go to the tech malls once a while. But we will see. But I'm definitely not gonna explain like I'm 5-year finance app. What do you mean? No, but I just realized I have like another finance app I could use for this, instead of like I'm making exactly the same thing what I could have implemented in my other app. Let me see. Solvent. I should like really update this sooner or later. Solvent. I explain what it does. I have like multiple. I just wanted it to track all my projects. I wanted to like to track all my projects and finance and like income. The finance app would just be like for tracking your revenue and what you spend it on and to find all the subscriptions. Can you make sure that I can easily host the website on Vercel? That's like in a separate file box or whatever you need to do. Also, normally you have Vercel in your plugins or connectors, so normally you can host for me. I've transfer makes everything. Yeah, true. But I might still even learn Chinese. Plus they make everything there so super. Yeah, true. No, electronics, Johnny, because I was there, electronics are around the same price. Or like, if you buy electronics for like 1,000 euro here, it would be 800 in China. It's still cheaper, but it's not that big of a difference. But it's still, well, cheaper in the long run. Because I did that with like a graphics card, or like I was don't remember what exactly I bought, or was like looking at graphics cards in China compared to the EU, and they are a lot cheaper there, like 200 bucks, 300 bucks. Yeah, you just order what you need off Taobao, and then you get them in 2 days, and domestic shipment is only nice. Yeah, I'll probably live in China later on, probably. Brand stuff still true. But yeah, I'll probably be in China, but I also want to visit more of Europe. That's also what I want to do. There's a few Chinese brands. True. But I'll probably still, when I'm like older, I'll probably be in China somewhere, just for the fun of it. Also, I'll make this, just for the meme of it. Once this is done. And the food is good too. The only thing is the visa, because, well, it's easier to get a visa in Thailand, but I'm not 21 yet. What I wanted to get later on, when I'm like 21 in 3 years, is the DTV visa. It's like Thailand. It's like it's just the online worker visa. It's pretty much it, in my opinion. It's literally the online worker visa. It's like the vibe coder visa. For 350 euros, you can have the Thailand online worker visa. And that's like nice to have. And China doesn't have that, sadly enough. But maybe they're speaking about Vietnam also maybe getting the DTV soon. But like Thailand and Vietnam have like the same local touristy things. It's like both warm and both a bit. Well, you get what I mean. Like it's a bit of the same touristy vibe, and China's a bit different. Nah, but this visa is also better, apparently. But yeah, you can also get the Muay Thai visa, true. And I was gonna do Muay Thai anyway in Thailand. But apparently it's harder to get the Muay Thai visa than the DTV visa. The DTV visa is you should pay 350 bucks and you need to prove you work online. Yeah, true. I used to do that, I did that like once or twice. When I was like in Thailand, we went to China for a few days. I'll check. Invoice generator. I think I made the same tool a few days ago for the meme of it. PayPilot. Also here, this I would fix. Like, I'm not like Tabesh. I might speak like rudely or like a bit very strict, but it's just to help you. This animation I would fix. Like on this fresh, it's glitched. This I would fix. Because I'm like good at finding random bugs. Let me see. Double check this back. Okay, this works. No, but it does already look nice. But are you trying to make this an app, or are you just making this a web app? Or well, because I would add like a bit, I would add the menu here in the top personally. But that's just me, just for the design, for like if it's a website. But nah, it does already look good. By what did you make it? Tabish? By Claude Code, Replit? But nah, it does already look good. And you guys know how to vibe code check PDFs on site, it seems like good fire setup, you know. Soon we'll have like courses to start from scratch, but the second PDF explains a lot on how to get the clients. But LMK, it's mainly one, if you like watch the stream a lot, or me and Tommy stream, you'll like eventually start to get the workflows, but soon we'll definitely make courses on that too. I think it's pretty difficult to get China. Yeah, in China you need to really have a legit visa, like it's not just paying $350. I'm not saying it's easy to get a Thailand visa, you also still need to fill in info and everything, but it's easier to get a Thailand visa than a China visa. But nah, this already look good, this website. So is this almost done? Now we wait. No, but LMK, eventually if you just watch the stream, you'll learn a bit of the workflow, but I can also, sometimes I quickly explain the workflow. I built student free models available. Ah, nice! Nah, for free models, this definitely is nice. I've built an extension. What kind of extension? Chrome extension feeling wise, or what do you mean with extension? Just Chrome? Is it in China? 500. Okay, that is nice though. I'm probably going to spend way more in China if I live there, just with the internet money. Like, live every day as your last day. Quote of the week, quote of the day, or hour. But no, feeling wise, let me know what you mean with extension, if you like mean Chrome extension or what you mean. It depends. I always let the client pay for everything. I let the client pay for the hosting domain, and you can also just charge them like a monthly fee. But I built on, like, I'll explain you. So what I used to do for client projects and still do mostly. So step number 1, you tell the client, get the Replit account, load the account up with 200 euro, and then you just start building on their account. I sometimes don't even build on my own account. I just tell the clients, make me an account and I'll build it. That I used to do, but now I do everything in Claude Code. Sometimes I use Replit, because with Replit it gets done faster. But that's pretty much it. But I recommend LMK, you would even just build it fully with Claude Code. Just explain them very clearly, let AI explain, or like write the text for you that they need a hosting domain, explain it all to them. And hosting, now I think of it, you just need Vercel. You don't need anything, you don't need to pay for hosting, just domain name. Just tell them to buy them a domain. Just go to GoDaddy. It's always strange saying that name like out loud. But no, LMK, you just charge the client for everything. It's a web extension works on any browser, mainly for good and better at hearing and speaking. Ah, okay, I'm totally working on it. What kind of web extension feeling wise? Feeling wise, if possible, go and join Discord and send me the link of the web application, because I would want to like try it out. Also, Tavish, I'm currently working on animated award-winning style. Could you share some advice on how you can earn it? What do you mean, Tavish, with award-winning style? Just how to make good websites. Pork bun mocks GoDaddy. Yeah, I've heard of pork buns, but apparently it's very bad. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know pork buns or. Let me pork bun here. But no, Tabish, explain what do you mean with award-winning websites? But what I would do for design-wise, you can copy designs from Mobin. Okay, feeling wise, let me know once you've sent the link. But now I like GoDaddy. I used to do it like in high school. I used to use GoDaddy a lot for WordPress websites. Also, why are you logging me in with this? But like I used to use I now use Vercel. I just use GoDaddy for my domains and old clients. But I might try and convince the companies I work with to like move to Vercel or something because it's cheaper and it's nicer, I suppose. Nicer UI for me, and they're never in GoDaddy anyway. It's like a nicer overview for me to look at and like fix everything. But for domains, you can also just use Combel or so on. And all the ones new in the stream, do say hi. Let me know what you're currently working on. And if you have a project you want to show me, send me it. And also, please do send your projects in the project showcase, not in the local thing. Also, please, if possible, all the guys from the stream do send your projects in Project Showcase. Cool. Okay, wait, I'll check it, Alex. I assume this is yours. Let me see. The meta is get a new domain. Is that truly the meta? Does that even work? Wait. I'll, don't mind me. Like, let me quickly note this down in my documents here for the meme of it. Wait, if I can like show it for the joke, can I? Here, Johnny. Like, I'll have this also crazy dark side. I don't know. No homo or no diddy in the chat. Like, no diddy. Also, what is this feeling wise? Let me even see.
This is what Feeling Wise does. It reads every comment your child encounters on social media before they do. When the comment carries an identity slur, a shame attack, a coordinated pylon, Feeling Wise rewrites the words in place. Your child sees a diffused version, not the raw hostility.
Ah, yeah. Just with the homies, it's okay. With the homies, it's not. It's okay. With the homies, it's not gay.
€8 per user per month, with volume discounts for families.
But this is
Nice.
nice. I would make the website page or the plans page a bit nicer feeling wise. Just because if you vibe coded it, you can make the pages much nicer. My heart beats so hard, man. What do you mean? Or what? Too many energy drinks? Nah, no homophobia. If anybody is gay in the chats, it's all good. But it's just joke, no diddy. You all know. Anyway, what did I want to do? This here. Nah, but the idea is very nice. The idea is very nice feeling wise, but I would update certain things. Certain things you can definitely update with vibe coding. I don't know if this project is vibe coded. Because it seems, I might be wrong, but did you custom code this? Ah, no problem, man, no problem. But no, did you custom code this or with custom code? You know what I mean. Crazy, dark side, crazy. For some reason it doesn't show on my thing. Yeah, I'm going to bed, I'm talking nonsense. Ah, okay. Good night, dark side, good night. I would give you a kiss before bed, but no diddy, no diddy. But no, what do you mean feeling wise? But no, wait, what do I want to see? You missed some keywords with the dashboard? Okay, let me see. Let me see the dashboard here. Nah, but it does look nice. Yeah, good night, dark side, good night. Now, but the idea is definitely very nice. I would improve the dashboard personally. I would improve the visual design a lot. But if the back end works, That's already like most of it.
Writing the record itself. At any point, the parent can click View Original to navigate directly to the live post on the source platform and read it in context.
But yeah, Twitter is not a place to let your child scroll. The score you made tonight to say good night, lol. I might. Bro. Nah, but the project is nice though. I would just improve the dashboards. Also, let me see what the chat above. What did you ask me before? Let me even see. If there is porn in the general chat, okay. All good. Let me even see.
Opening the file in any browser on any device with no feeling-wise installation.
The game is still run, or well, the game is done. I'll check it in a few, I think. Or well, it's still working.
It does not contact any server.
I'll try your link again, but send me it in the Discord if possible.
Genuine and unmodified, and read exactly what the parent saw in the dashboard.
So why can't I not?
Complete transparency, zero trust required. Evidence the recipient can verify themselves. Feeling-wise, a safer feed, a record you keep.
Nah, but it is nice. What I personally would do feeling-wise is try and market this. Try and just do marketing. But I would also improve some visual. Like the visuals, I would just try and make it more user-friendly, especially this part in the website. But then I would just fully start promoting it. Just start promoting it. Try and make a nice homepage and just start promoting. Ah, okay. Wait, could you send me the current link? Or wait, can I? Can't zoom in on the video. It's like the link of the website somewhere. Also, small thing, remove these AI dashes from the chat. It's very bad for the algorithm. Ah, okay. No, but feeling-wise, do remove these AI dashes. It's very bad for the Google web extension, SEO, or algorithm, or whatever it's called. So let me see if I can find the link. No, the golf goods. Join the Discord in the description of the stream, and then you can find me. Go to import solvent here. Up. Oh, alright, wait, am I blind or where's the link? Oh, wait, did you send it in Discord? Or could you send me the link of the website and this is all I'm building? Yo, Avatar, welcome to the stream. I'm currently checking out some projects of people, or just viewers. Also, do join the Discord, Avatars. If you have like a nice project, do send me it, because I love to see all the other projects. And for all the ones wondering what I do, also a bit for the new viewers, the Dollar Vibe Club. What we do is we teach people how to turn vibe coding into a business and make money online, pretty much. And that's pretty much it. It's fully free. We're not selling some shady 5K course. Soon we are going to drop merch. We're like gonna drop vibe code mugs and t-shirts. Like, we'll just put Claude Code or something on the t-shirts. We'll do something funny. Let me see. Let me see this one. Okay, let me check. Now, I would update the website. The only thing I would do is just try and update the website. I don't know if you made this with AI or via what this is made, but I'm pretty sure, like, even if you don't know how to prompt correctly in Claude Code, you should be able to make a nicer design. Just that every page feels unique and different, because now currently it feels like a boring website. All I would do is just update the design and just start promoting. Just update the design and start promoting, because the idea is very nice. And I'm pretty sure 100% AI. Via what, if I may ask? Or because this looks like no hate against like the workflow, but this looks like 2022 AI, or like something ChatGPT would make me in 2020 or something. I struggle to design the most. Feeling wise, if I may ask, what AI do you use? ChatGPT, Claude Code, or what do you use? What is this? Claude Code, Claude Code, Claude Code. And now I have 2 solvents in my project folder. What well done all. No, that's not what I mean. Like, this design looks like a design straight from like 2022. I've never seen an AI make this type of design, personally. For me, sometimes it gives me bad designs, but then I make a new one, but I've never seen it like this. Like some precise and prompting. What I would do feeling wise, try and explain your ID very well in ChatGPT. Let it make you like images and then try and like make it replicate those images, or just straight up tell Claude to improve the design. You don't need to like be a master in design, just like update it a bit. No, not redo entire. The content is good. I would just like change it up a little. Like ask the AI to. Normally, if you just ask him to improve the design, he will just even improve it a bit basic. Just like put this a bit wider, or like nice transparent box all the people use, and so on. But you are really close because the backend works, the web extension works. No problem, man. No problem. We're all here to help each other on the stream and in the Dog Vibe Club. But nah, definitely a very nice idea. I'm just going to check what payment provider. Nah, the game is not ready, but it's doing some other stuff. My usage is almost empty. That's not great. But I'll probably end stream in a few. But we had a good run. Even though we didn't do that much. But like, I had some ideas, we built some nice designs, finished some things. And I was also doing some other stuff on my other screen. Nah, all good. But nah, you just need to update the design a bit, and then you should just start marketing, make heels, or just like... And you don't even need to like speak fluent English, but just start posting. Either with your face on it and start speaking. But you'll need to see. You'll need to see. Go together. The favicon is very, very messed up. Okay, I know. It imported my design wrong from the last time. I'm going to wait and let him fix it. Probably going to add a video. Try and add the real logos in the subscriptions, and try the bottom icon. The box is broken. It's not fully like interlinked in between the 2 sections. You'll know what I mean if you read the file. What do you mean a license? If you ever need one, attach the license. Just license to use the project, or what do you mean license? Or maybe I don't see it, but... Oh, like, it gave me such a bad design. It's like a design I made long before, but I will need to animate this. Okay, give me please a prompt to animate the banner, like just the banner in the top. Just generate me a full prompt and I'll generate you a video. Why are you doing this, man? Like, AI is not locked in. Like, is the horror game ready at least? Also, the favicon still seems a bit glitched with like the edges. Or well, he'll fix it. For the game does take a while to load. 58, 57 minutes. Fable 5 truly is eating the usage though. Like they made it just that we lose all the usage this way. Okay, nice. The app is designed to help a lot on free mode, but the pro mode is mostly API requests for agent. Ah, okay, nice. Nah, but you could definitely make money from the ID, you just need to promote it well. Just start posting. I would just start posting on Insta or at least do something. But soon I'll also start posting about my apps, and then maybe you can take inspiration. Let me see. Yeah, just post in the golf waiting my 10 minutes. Ah, okay. Yeah, once the 10 minutes is approved, then you can send it and I'll take a look at golf. I'm already open Gemini. Oh, this one. I swear you could generate videos in Gemini. What, we don't have Go anymore. Why did I forget to pay? But, well, I don't have my phone with me. But I never use this AI anyway, I just want to generate a video. But then I'll do that later on. But I truly never use Gemini, that's why I just forget about it. Oh, let me see. Okay, all good. I'll use Perplexity. I've never used Perplexity for that, but let's take a look. I have the subscription, but it's probably not connected. Yeah, I'll probably use it later on, because I don't immediately see how to do a video. But I'll make the video another day, because I'm not in a rush to do it anyway. The app is not... Oh well, I can make the app live, but I'm more focused on the health app anyway, currently. Maybe I'll improve the Vital health app. No clue what you mean, Golf. Maybe it's because it's already getting late and I didn't have my coffee, who knows. Let me see. Solvent, let me see. Prompts. Okay, it's getting there. And once it's done, then all good. Well, I'll probably end stream in a few. I'll wait until you can post the thing in the channel, Golf. Then I'll take a look. Then I'll go through your project. Then I'll probably end stream after that. And then we had a good run. But I should make a list of things I should do. Like this thing I'll probably make later. It's like mainly the Vital I want to promote. I'll maybe make a new. Yeah, no, I know what the reference is from, but why the reference? Or did I say something? Maybe, no clue. No clue, to be honest. Also, let me see. I'll like need to make a list, but this I'll improve. Like this I'll fully improve. The homepage is good, but I want to just improve it a little. And I'll just need to make more gym content. I'll hire a few friends of mine, or just ask a few friends of mine to promote. For like the gym. Because you need to imagine, you just need 500 people paying $20 a month for the gym subscription. No, just 20 video ID. Ah, okay, I could do. I know like a lot of people are doing like the AI videos because you can genuinely make bank from the AI videos. I have never done it myself just because I was always more interested in web design. But you could technically like really make money with like those funny AI videos. Film supercomputer. Everybody like the supercomputer, man. It's crazy. Claude Fable 5 is back. No shots, this can make a game. But I might need to use this for models. Now I see. Converting linear pages. It's 4 minutes and I'll check it out. How much tokens I have? Ooh, not a lot, not a lot. Maybe I'll try it. I'm just curious what you'll give me. Grok just leaves MCP? Ah, nice. I'll probably not use Grok just because I'm not like a fan of it. Or well, not a fan, I just never use. I don't see the use of it yet. Okay, I need you to make a fitness, like we have a fitness app called Vital, and I need you to make the full landing page. I need it to be fully animated. The Vital Health app is an all-in-one fitness app for nutrition, exercises, and it's for beginners and experienced gym goers. And we also have an integrated AI coach and like a nutrition scanner. And it's made by an 18-year-old founder / entrepreneur called Hunter Yip / Yinti Yip. And make it highly animated 1, 2, 3, go. I just want to see if we can make something nice. Yeah, now I need to pay her what? Yeah. But we'll see. Xfield is looking nice though for like all the... Let me even see if I can see people's apps and everything. I love Grok Aga Voice is #1. I'd never heard of that one, strangely enough. First time I hear of it. If this is what Higgsfields generate, then I'm not gonna pay for this. Like I can do this blindly on Claude Code. The glasses are like... I just had like a mosquito like in my face. Let me see. Zesty Shell. But I'm not a fan, like the website, you can make all of this in Claude Code, and it's just expensive. Diesel Punk though, okay, I would say this is a nice website, it's just a nice image on the background. Okay, but I'll probably end the stream in a few. I'm still gonna check your project goal for goods, and then that will be the end of the stream. Then we had a good run. And I'll make a good list of projects I want to do. And that'll also bring me money more, like... The game is ready! What even was the horror game called? Let me check the horror game and if I have my cheat menu. Okay, nice. Cool. I need my cheat menu and then I need push and merged. But I cannot bridge in this game. Let me enter the cheat menu, come on. For the usage, it gets empty. But now we had a good run on the stream. But I'll truly soon, because I'm going to do the same thing Tommy did, I'm going to probably put hundreds of euros in ads. So the stream will probably grow exponentially. I'm just going to go a lot of money in YouTube ads, or a few hundred. And just try and push the stream, because I think we have like a good stream, we have a good community going, so then we'll start to promote it. I'll also try and do a video a day, or a short a day at least. Even if it's just me yapping. I'm not making a crypto game, if that's what you mean feeling-wise. If you think I'm not gonna make a Web3 game, not yet. I'm not gonna make a crypto game. But no, the game was just for fun. We just did the game for fun to double check. What's the key to the left? We just made the game for fun to test if Fable 5 was good at it. Where the Oh, I don't know, send. Wait, I'll check your project in a few after I figure out where the cheat menu is. Cool. Also, I'll check your project in a few while this thing loads. It's cheat menu. Also, let me take a look. Boo. The golf goods, if I may ask, if you made this in Replit, it does look very vibe coded. But you could improve with it, but I saw you used the free. But this I would fix. This logo, drop ein link. Interesting. What I would definitely do also, do not take my opinion harshly, I just do it really to try and help you, is definitely make a landing page that people can see from the get-go. So this is what the project is about. Make a landing page. Wait, let me do it full screen while I like preach. No. So what you need to do is make a landing page. Just make a landing page. People come onto it and then they immediately see, okay, so this is what the project is about. Be very clear that what the project is about. Just a big home, just a landing page, very nicely designed, explaining what it is. And this menu needs to be better, and less AI. This AI icon, the names, and the certain fixes. Because I don't immediately see what the project is about from like face glance. Like I see it's like some analyzing tool, but it's nice that you could do this for free though. If it's like fully for free that you made this in Replit. No, nice. I'm not 100% sure what the project is, because I don't really see it, but it's looking good. You just need to improve some of the AI things. But definitely, what I would recommend, do not work in Replit, work in some other tool to get started in, because it's cheaper. Also, before I end the stream, because it's already late, I want to check this. I want to play the game a bit. But nah, definitely, I would update that. Definitely make a landing page that people cannot go to the dashboard immediately. For example, here. So it's like really warm in my room for some reason. But no, for example, we also have a landing page here. Like add a simple landing page that people can see. Okay. Just a landing page, improve some of the icons, and then you're all good. Solop genoeg analysis. Okay. Also, go on. I need to like fix this. Nah, no problem, man, no problem. But I would definitely change those. But you can always send the project in the Discord and then people can take a look. But definitely, golf goods, get Claude codes. I wouldn't code in Replit for now because it's very expensive, personally. I'm not hating on Replit, I'm just saying it's expensive, and if you're not making money with it, I don't recommend it. First, get a Claude Code subscription, 20 bucks, and then just build via that. Cool. Can I debug, or how does this but I'll wait until it's like fixes the entire thing that I can like use it. Okay, nice. Now definitely just continue building it in Claude, improving like the designs. And you could make money of it if you just put like a cheap subscription on it. But go on, I wanna do this game really quick and then I end stream. And we had a good run. And I'll like cook some food. I'm good, Jacob, I'm good. What about you? But I'm all good. I'm like doing some final things for the meme. I'm just going to like play the horror game a little. If I can like enable the cheat menu. And then I'll end the stream. But then we had a good run, 2-hour stream. Ah, nice. What kind of gig did you make? Bro, like, can the syntax go on finish? I wanna do the horror game testing. What is your new gig? Did something in build? Ah, okay, nice. But what fire gig did you make, Jacob? You just tell it to code a heat map, golf goods. You just explain what you want and Claude Code can do it. Most of the time. It's a custom website development gig, AI. Ah, okay, nice. But nah, normally if you just tell it to do it, golf goods then just does it. Well, don't I have a video? Come on. Also for all those new in the stream, do say hi, let me know what you're working on. Fable 5 is great. Best is just the best. All I can say. Come on, I wanna use the AI. Or well, I wanna play the game, I mean. Alright, peace. GG. GG golf count. Hope to see you in the chats again. Well, I forgot the English words for some reason. Cool. Like I want to finish the game, and then I want to cook some food. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make, but I think some meat. I have some avocado still. Some meat, some avocado, rice. I know it's late and normally you don't eat late, but like a bit of a snack before bed. And I can just sleep with like a full stomach. Ah, nice. It's long since I've like cooked burgers, but soon I'm going to a barbecue with the family, so. Also, for all the vibe coders that are like vibe coding day and night, do always spend some time, a bit of a life advice or whatever. Do spend time with your family. Don't just stay locked in the trenches. Truly, also like spend time with the family because it's really important. Like spend time with your father, your mother, and so on. Like I know a lot of people in this like day and age are like trying to do like make financial wealth and like retire their mother and parents, but truly also spend time with them. Don't always lock in, don't always work day and night. Truly also try and spend some time with your family. It's really important. Anyway, end of the quote. But maybe I also just say that for myself, because now I live like all alone since I turned 18. A few months ago, I moved away from my parents just so I can like keep working, and just do my thing. But do also like visit your family once in a while, it's important. Anyway, is my cheat menu done in my game, or what is the AI doing truly? Like, what is he doing? I'm not seeing my... Nah, bro. See but you live at home, or you live next to your parents, I think. If I remember correctly, so... let me see, come on. I just want the cheat menu to work, man. Interesting. Nah, Poland is nice though. Poland is nice. Should also go to Poland sooner or later again. My Chinese is bad, but no, at this time and age, if you want to make money with games, I do not recommend this as Web3 gaming. I just made this game for the joke with Fable 5 because I wanted to double check if we could do it. Nah, Fable 5 usage is crazy. I'm at 90% and on the 20x. But no, BHH, because my Chinese, I cannot pronounce that, but if you want to make money, you need to do it via vibe coding, either by making apps. If you just want quick money, call a local business and just sell them a website for 500 bucks. But I'm going to end the stream in a few, so B8H, do like and subscribe, and then tomorrow I will be streaming once again, and then you can ask questions, and then you'll see me live working. But you can I used to make money with games. A bit of lore time for me. I used to make loads and loads of money on this. It's like a crypto game. I do not recommend this. I made money with this, but I do not recommend. Disclaimer. I do not promote crypto, blah blah blah. But you could make bank with this. Like, I miss the times. I wish I like worked more in this. Let me see. Where is the workshops? Like, I truly wish I played this more. Like, I truly wanted to make the bank in this. Like, it used to be so much. Oh, crypto games. Truly, it will always have a place in my heart, big time. If I still remember the name. Nah, no problem feeling wise, no problem. And if you ever need advice again, I'm gonna be live every single day until the end of the year. I'm going to be live for 8 months straight or even more. Nah, but truly. Game moving bricks? What? What do you mean game? What, this game I made, the game you saw, the Minecraft one I made in Fable 5 for the joke, because somebody in chat wanted it, and I wanted to see if Fable 5 could make something nice. But no, you can make money with games, or you used to with crypto gaming, but I do not recommend that. But I do miss crypto gaming. Oh, I miss the 50k or what? Let me see for the sales. Not for sale. There used to be like leaderboards. Wait. Now I'm really curious what the prices were going for in the day. But you can make money with everything, BHH. You can make money with everything, man. But anyway, I can't find the prices. But crypto gaming used to be able to make bank $50 in like a few hours. That's like more than working at the McDonald's for just gaming. Long time, but it's long in the time, long ago. Anyway, I'm going to end the stream. I'm going to cook some food. But we had a good run. We built a few things. We didn't really build anything special, or well, really special for making money. Or client playing. Ah, okay. Oh yeah, first time I've heard of that specific name, but you can make money with everything. Anyway, let me end the stream. Hope you all enjoyed, and GG, I'll be live every single day. For all the ones that don't know me, I am Hunter Yip, Yinty Yip. I am going to be live every single day for the coming 8 months, trying to make money online, show you all how to do it, and also promoting Dollar Vibe Club mainly. But hope you all enjoyed, and GG. If I can end the stream.